In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill an object with a pattern or gradient in your design software, creating creative visuals effortlessly. First, start by selecting the object that you wish to fill. This could be anything from a simple shape to text that you've converted into curves. This selection sets the foundation for everything that comes next, so make sure you've got the right element ready to go. Next, you'll want to activate the Fill tool. You can do this by clicking its icon located on the toolbar, or by simply pressing the G key on your keyboard. This tool is essential, as it's what you'll be using to apply the fill to your selected object. Now, take a moment to look up at the Context toolbar, which you'll find at the top of your screen. Here you'll see a variety of options specifically related to your fill tool. It's important to note what aspect of your object you're affecting, whether it's the fill or stroke. You can adjust this according to your current project needs. Moreover, you'll have the opportunity to choose the type of fill you wish to apply. The options include solid, linear, radial, conical, and bitmap. If your goal is to fill your object with a gradient, you would select either linear, radial, or conical. On the other hand, if you're aiming to fill your object with a bitmap or pattern, simply select the bitmap option. This choice dictates the style of your design, so choose according to the visual effect you desire. After you've chosen the type of fill, it's time to apply it. Click and drag on your object to set the fill direction and span. If you're working with gradients, you'll notice handles that appear at this step. These handles are incredibly useful as they allow you to adjust both the angle and length of your gradient, giving you full creative control. When it comes to editing color stops for gradients, you have the flexibility to make adjustments that enhance your design. Click on a stop to change its color, allowing for a variety of hues across your gradient. You can also add additional stops by clicking along the gradient line, offering even more variety and visual interest. If you're working with bitmaps, focus on using the handles to scale or rotate the pattern within your object. This gives you the ability to manipulate the bitmap until it fits perfectly within your shape. You might also notice fit options such as None, Max Fit, and Min Fit, which control how the image fills the space, each option offering a unique style and finish. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, either deselect the object or continue editing as needed. Your newly applied fill is now part of your design. With these steps completed, you've transformed a plain object into something visually captivating and unique. Happy designing!